What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're gonna go over Matic as well as Ethereum. Nice move for ETH. Currently we're staying at $1.14, up 2% on the day. So your market cap of 10.45 billion. 24-hour volume 290 million. So let's hop into the charts. We're gonna start here on the 1 hour time frame. So as mentioned in yesterday's video as well as the Discord, we want to see that B wave high broken for more confirmation of a breakout to the upside. We have pushed right up to that resistance of 113 in a nice three-wave move. So you could have a nice wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, a little bit of a wave 4, push up in a wave 5, break that high, potentially back test it, and then see continuation. Because of course if we get rejected here, then it simply means that this correction isn't complete yet. But if we can come up and break this high of 113, that's when we could see continuation up in our wave 3 with a target of $1.26. Daily time frame, we're starting to get back above the EMAs, which is what the bulls want to see. We broke out of this symmetrical triangle. So if we can see continuation, we print the bullish cross. That's a super strong sign of continuation to the upside. As you can see right here, we had the bullish cross. Massive move to the upside. We had some consolidation right here, but as you can see, bullish cross, 20 of the over the 55, massive move to the upside. So, sorry, I think I'm gonna sneeze here. So, am I gonna be okay, or is it gonna be like Mr. Bean with "Achoo"? So if we can get back above the EMAs, we'd be looking good for continuation. Ethereum's looking strong. We signaled yesterday about coming up to this trend line of resistance, as well as posted in the Discord, and that's exactly what we did. So obviously this will be a massive level. You can see there was quite a bit of support in this area, but if we can break above 2000, that's a big psychological level as well, and we're able to hold it as support. That's when you could potentially see continuation all the way up to, I think it's about 4K. Yeah, 4K is the target of this, whether you want to see it as a double bottom or ascending triangle. If we get rejected and we come back down to the EMAs or down to support, people are going to start getting really bearish, especially with BTC. If we get rejected at 30K, everyone will start screaming 12K again. I really don't think so. Worst case scenario, retest 25K, but we may just hang out here or drop down to 28, 27 if we get rejected, and then see continuation to the upside. Eventually we will see a larger pullback in the market. I'll go out over that more in my next Bitcoin video, but as of right now, this is the major resistance to watch here for Ethereum. I'm just going to quickly pop open my chart with the wave count. Okay, so we pushed right up very close to our wave 3 target that we signaled in the previous video, as well as in the Discord. We almost pushed up to 2035. So in my opinion, this looks like a nice three-wave move. So we may be looking to pull back in the 4 and then push up in the 5 to complete this wave 3. Basically within this larger wave 3 with a target of 2114. So do watch. As you can see, we have a beautiful three-wave move. Wave 1, wave 2 pullback, that's your wave 3, pull back in a 4, potentially push up in a 5 to about 2035. Complete the wave 3, pull back in a 4, push up in a 5 to complete that larger wave 3 in yellow with a target of 2114. So that's basically it for this update. Matic, we need to see a break of that B wave high for confirmation of continuation up to 126. If we get rejected, then simply this correction is not finished yet. We'll have to see how that plays out. Currently we are in a trade in the Discord, which I gave a signal for. It's only $10 a month, but if you sign up to either Bitget or Bybit, grab those bonuses. Check out my full length tutorials. Do the majority of my trading here on Bitget. Completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. If you make your first deposit on one of the exchanges, 30-day free trial to my signals analysis, crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here. As you can see, nice call by Jax. He took a nice Solana trade for a 40% gain. Mahado alt plays, 30-day free trial if you make your first deposit. If you like direct access, it's $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon link. All links are below in the comments. All you have to do is email me your sign up email for one of the exchanges. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.